And right now we shall be going to the Lydian mode applications. Right now we are going to apply this on a song titled What a Mighty God We Serve. What a mighty God we serve. Heaven and earth adore him. Angels bow before him. What a mighty God we serve. Alright, now the tone of is sa 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 mi do la so. Sa 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 mi do mi re. Sa 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 fa mi do. Sa 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 fa mi do. Sa 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 fa mi re do. Alright, now let's go straight into the application. Da 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 mi do la so la do re mi re do ti la so fi so. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, and the next part is da 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 mi do mi re, right? Can you hear that again? Da 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 mi do mi re do ti la so mi re. Okay, then. Again, da 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 fa mi re do so la mi fi so re mi re do ti la so do. All right, now let me play again. So now you can see how easy it is for you to apply your Lydian mode, alright? So just try to apply some of these licks on any song of your choice. Thank you for watching.